I don't know if I can change something. I will change just the winter time. I will bring my son from Cuba and will put it here in the center in Ljubljana. So the whole year. Yes, I need. Oh my God, it's too cold here. Just that.
Quem mostrava esse caminho longe, quem mostrava esse caminho longe, esse caminho.
I'm from Cuba. I'm Lucelia Constante. I'm 24 years old, living in Slovenia now. 3 years. I'm living in Slovenia 3 years. I'm from Havana, actually. Havana, Ljubljana. I'm married here in Slovenia with a Slovene guy. I'm working and that's all I mean. He was in Cuba for holidays, of course. And then, I don't know, I was in the bus station. He asked me for one address, I don't know, and then, okay, I can go with you, I can show you. And we started walking and talking about the Slovenia, Cuba, and the sea, and we get in love. And it was like that, I mean. I married with 21 years old just for him, you know, because he lived here in Slovenia, I was in Cuba. My mother said, okay, you have to marry if you want to go to Slovenia, because I don't know if you will be safe there. When I decided to go to Slovenia with my husband, we didn't know where is Slovenia. So my parents, they didn't understand why I go there. But the only answer for them was that I was in love. That's all. And they just say, okay, if you want it, we trust you and do it. But they was really sad. It was very hard for them because it's too far away. They didn't know where is Slovenia. They just heard about Yugoslavia, but not Slovenia. So for them it was really, really difficult. Yeah, sometimes I miss my country, my family. That's normal. But it's a nice country, really nice town, Ljubljana. You feel really nice, comfortable, and safe. It's a safe country too, really safe. It's not like, big city, like my city, Havana. It's too much people, you know, it's violence. Here it's more safe because it's small and you know everyone. Actually, in Europe it's really better than in my country, for example, Cuba, because here it's nice for work, for study. You have a lot of opportunity. In Cuba you don't have anything. It's actually communist country. So it's a really close country in the political, and people suffer, you know. There's low salaries, like 10 euros per month. Here you can get in a month a big difference, you know. So for people from Cuba, I think Mexico or this part of Latin America, here you can get a lot of opportunity for work and study. That's really nice. I didn't feel like discriminated, you know. I just feel different here. But people just want to help me, not in the bad way, but in a good way, and that's good. It's not racism here, people are really good. I just think in Slovenia we need more culture of different race and different people, different countries, just that. Because in another way it's really comfortable country and towns, great. People are really great person, yeah. In the beginning, was a lot of problem with me here for adapt with people, and I didn't like here in the beginning because I felt lonely here. I really miss my country, my family a lot of. Actually, I wanted to go home back, but okay, I'm married here, I'm working here, I have to adapt here, so I will survive here.